Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of pepper and add it. This is slightly optional, but I like my potato to be a bit seasoned. Yeah, so in here what I have is salt, a mix of ginger, garlic, and pepper. Yeah, so I'm mixing this together and I'm going to kind of stir fry these potatoes. Our potatoes shouldn't be boring. This is the long and short of this video. Yeah, so into my frying pan I'm going to be adding a little bit of vegetable oil. Okay, I'm not deep frying it, so I'm not going to add so much. Sprinkling some onions just to season the oil. Yeah, so now I'm going to add the potatoes. Remember that I already mentioned earlier that I added salt, ginger, garlic, and pepper in the potatoes just to season it. I also want to mention here that if your frying pan is not stir fry, you might want to rethink to this one. You can deep fry itself. The reason why I have the guts, the temerity to do this is because I know that my frying pan is stir fry and it soon gets burnt. Yeah, so I'm going to allow this to cook for a couple of minutes. Then I'll come back to stir it. Yeah. So while my potato is cooking, I would go ahead to pluck my veggies. Who can tell me the name of this vegetable? Remember what I'm trying to achieve in this video, and what basically I want to teach you on this page is that your food shouldn't be boring. You can have your meals, create innovative and creative ways to eat, you get. Yeah, so instead of just having like your normal potato and all of that, this is another method that you can have your sweet potatoes incorporating green leafy vegetables. You know all the benefits of sweet potato, the benefits of green leafy vegetables. So who knows the name of this vegetable? If you know, can you let me know in the comments? So I'll go ahead to pluck the vegetables, wash and slice them. Yeah. So yeah, our leafy green vegetables has been chopped now. So I'm going to be checking on the potato, the sweet potato. So this is the current situation with our sweet potato. I already like the color. It's turning out nicely. Yeah. So I'm going to check through them and ensure that they are all cooked properly before I take them out from the fire. Yep. So I've taken out the sweet potato. In that same frying pan, I'm going to continue with the vegetable. Yeah. So into the pan I'm going to be adding some onions. Then I'm also going to go in with, this is ginger, garlic, and pepper. So I'm going to give this a quick stir. This is just to flavor the vegetable, the green vegetable that I'm planning to add in here. Yeah. So I don't like my vegetables I like my vegetables to be fresh. So I'm just going to go in now. So I'm just going to go in with stock cube, give this a quick stir, and yeah, it is ready. So guys, this is the finished meal. Yeah. So let me know what you think about this meal or recipe, and if you'll be trying it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you, food lovers.